second. Found a way to let you in. Starting to feel again. Oh, your love. So many lies just come and go. Break my heart, but not my soul. I fell hard, but when it's wrong, I move on. All the time I spent with you, all the things that we've been through, I trust on the line. We're only chasing time. It's what you do to me. It's what you do to me. So say you will love me isn't deeper than the sea. What you do to me, it's what you do to me. Could it really be that you're the one for me? It's what you do. What am I supposed to do when all else fails? Didn't think it'd be this hard before. Now all we ever do is argue. Just know I'm around when you're down. Give him this love one more try. All the time I spent with you, all the things that we've been through, trust on the line. We're only chasing time. It's what you do to me. It's what you do to me. So say you will love me isn't deeper than the sea. What you do to me, it's what you do to me. Could it really be that you're the one for me?
Hey guys, I just want to take a couple seconds and tell you guys I'm going to be trying a new foundation makeup brush. This is called the Sonic Blend by Michael Todd Beauty. It's kind of like an electric makeup brush. It has like 3 speeds. It's antimicrobial. Did I say that right the first time? I don't know. But it's supposed to give you like an airbrush finish, and what it basically means is like antimicrobial is you know when you use like makeup brushes and sometimes they have bacteria on it. Well, this makeup brush has this bacteria, like, I don't know, boundary to it. So I'm excited to try this out and let's see if it actually is a lot better than my makeup brush for my foundation, because my foundation brush is so bad. Like, I use it all the time. It's just kind of worn out. It leaves streaks and just doesn't give me full coverage anymore. Yeah, if you guys notice a difference in my foundation and how it looks, please let me know in the comments. I want to see how you guys think of it, how it looks on me, and yeah. So I'm going to be using my matte poreless Fit Me Maybelline foundation in the shade 110, because you know I'm white as hell. So I'm going to start by applying my foundation to my face, and let's see. Ooh, time out. I almost forgot my primer. Hold on one second. Okay, so I am all primed up right now. So now I'm going to dot the foundation on my skin, and then I'm going to try the foundation brush once I'm done dotting my skin with the foundation. Now I'm going to turn it on. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of like shaky motion. So let's get started. Oh my god. That feels so weird. Oh god, it tickles. I have to sneeze. So far, I am liking it. I was kind of skeptical at first because I saw some reviews online, and honestly the more tanner people, people that aren't me in this light, usually their foundation goes on a lot better, and I'm not sure if it's the foundation because I tried a tan foundation before and I had a lot more coverage with it, and I don't know if it's just the foundation or the foundation brush. guys could hear this, it literally sounds like a raven here. Okay, I am done. I think I never got this much coverage for my other foundation brush, which is an oval brush. I love it. Oh my god. Like, I can't stop looking like at the results. Like, it's really shocking. Honestly, I thought they would come out streaky. Oh my god. I look cute. So I'm actually just going to finish the rest of my makeup right now, fast forward, you know, put some music on. And then yeah, I just want to say I really do love this brush. I'm really surprised. I'm shocked. But yeah, everything will be down below if you want to check them out. You don't have to if you don't want to, but the link is down below. Just kind of wanted to try a foundation brush and see if this actually works, because I was skeptical. So I'm going to fast forward now, put some music on, and finish the rest of my makeup.
It's what you do to me.
She ain't like most girls, she a different type. Cut from a different cloth, she just living life. I just kept it so real with her. Other dudes couldn't even deal with her. And now I can't deny the feeling that she bring. I make the beat, baby girl, you just gotta sing. I know you feel it in your soul right now. Gets messy, but that's the goal right now. When you probably won't get it, so forget it. You only got one life, gonna live it. Yeah, gonna live it. It's what you do to me, girl. What you do to me, girl, is
What you do to me. It's what you do to me. So say you love me isn't deeper than I see. What you do to me is what you do to me. Could it really be that you're the one for me? It's what you do to me. What you do to me. It's what you do to me, baby. Ooh. What you do to me, baby. Oh, what you do to me. What you do to me.
It's what you do to me, girl. What you do to me, girl, is